In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaMask Learn to explore the world of Web3 with ease and confidence. Whether you're a rookie eager to dip your toes into the decentralized universe or someone who's simply curious about what Web3 has to offer, this journey promises to be both educational and enjoyable. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your favorite web browser and navigate to the website TPS Learn MetaMask.io. This is your gateway to a world of knowledge about Web3 and how to interact with it using MetaMask. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page where everything begins. Look for the Start Learning option. It's your starting point, inviting you to explore a treasure trove of information crafted to make sense of Web3 for newcomers like yourself. After you've clicked Start Learning, you'll be presented with a variety of topics to plunge into. Here, you'll see subjects like what is Web3 and how to use MetaMask, among others. Each topic is designed to guide you through the essential concepts and practical knowledge needed to navigate the decentralized web efficiently. Pick any topic that piques your interest. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice here, as each topic is crafted to be both engaging and informative. Once you've selected a topic, you'll be met with an interactive guide. This is where MetaMask Learn truly shines, offering a unique, hands-on experience by simulating wallet actions. Don't worry, no real wallet or funds are necessary. This simulation is purely educational, providing you with a risk-free environment to practice and understand key actions without any pressure. The interactivity ensures you're not just passively consuming information, but actively engaging with the material, helping you better retain what you've learned. After you've thoroughly absorbed the material in your chosen module, you have the freedom to go back and select another topic at any time. This flexible structure empowers you to learn at your own pace, revisiting topics or exploring new ones whenever you wish. Completing multiple modules also ensures a more rounded understanding of the concepts at hand, allowing you to gradually build your knowledge base. MetaMask Learn is an exceptional resource, offering a hands-on, practical introduction to Web3 for beginners. By immersing yourself in this simulated environment, you're not just learning about Web3, you're experiencing it. This approach makes it ideal for anyone looking to get comfortable with decentralized technologies, equipping you with the confidence to venture further into the innovative world of Web3. So go ahead, explore, and enjoy the enlightening journey ahead.